If you have a lot of data, and the data is either fairly discrete or heavily rounded, it's common for points to plot directly on top of one another, so that you can't see all of your data. Statisticians have developed a technique called jittering, which adds a little bit of a random offset to points in order to avoid the effects of overplotting. In version 16, we've added the ability to dynamically change the amount of jitter in a scatterplot. It can be very useful. For example, here you see a plot, again for my automobile data, where I've plotted the miles per gallon in highway driving on the y-axis and the type of drivetrain on the x-axis. Now, there are only 3 different types of drivetrain, and miles per gallon is measured to the nearest integer, so there's a lot of overplotting. To add jitter to the plot, I'll go to the analysis toolbar and press the button that has 4 arrows. This will bring up a floating dialog box, and I can now grab the slider labeled horizontal and start to increase the amount of jitter in the plot. In fact, I can increase it probably where points start to overlap one another, but if I set it carefully, I can get just the right amount of jitter so that you can see all of the data points.